Racing just is started. We have Jebel Ali. Break quickly at the start. Rushing up on the outside. Himig running by the rail is White Chocolate. In the middle portion is Lucky Julian alongside Reigning Jewel. Then next in line is Altas Pinus. And going along for the first turn, we have Jebel Ali. Running by the rail is White Chocolate. Moving up on the outside, Himig is Punk Attack is racing in fourth, and in fifth comes number 5 Altas Pinus. Moving up Reigning Jewel. In the middle portion is Lucky Julian. Then comes Sizzling Hot. Then followed now by Camora. Next in line, Play It Safe alongside Johnny Be Good, while Shout for Joy is racing in last. And on the fourth turn, we have Jebel Ali. Moving up on the outside is Punk Attack. And now says it's my turn to take the lead. We have is Punk Attack with a breakaway run by about 4 lengths. Moving up now to take second is Sizzling Hot as they swing for home. We have is Punk Attack this time by about 6 lengths. Sizzling Hot now in second. Altas Pinus, and on the outside White Chocolate, Camora. And finally the curtain closer is Punk Attack, Sizzling Hot, Camora. Then comes Altas Pinus, White Chocolate, Jebel Ali, Reigning Jewel, Lucky Julian, Himig.
Alright, number 7, Punk Attack. Ang siyang unang tumawid sa ating finish line, ridden by John Paul Ayguse. Masisigundo yung 9, Sizzling Hot, Camora, Altas Pinus. Nabitin tayo sa pang-5 at pang-6.